What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about Tesla. We're going to be covering something very exciting. Now before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for showing love on my second channel. Let's get right into the news. Now this just came out literally March 25th, and you can already tell by the title. 15 Tesla semi-electric trucks are expected to be delivered to Pepsi this year. So Pepsi came out saying that expecting 15 Tesla semi-electric trucks by the end of the year, giving us a better insights to Tesla's plan to produce and deliver the electric truck. Now, the article goes on to say that Tesla, they first unveiled this in 2017, but since then they've been, pushing it back, delaying it, and so forth. And last summer, in an email, basically Elon Musk said it's time to bring Tesla Semi to volume production, saying, hey, we need to kick this into gear, we need to start things rolling, we need to push this out. And then recently we came out with this news, and then back in 2017 Pepsi actually were talking about ordering 100 of its electric vehicles. So 15 are supposed to be delivered by the end of this year, and then I guess the rest 85 we're looking at it be delivered sometime in the near future. And then Pepsi, they came out with this statement saying, to date the equipment infrastructure in place at the site includes nearly 60 tractors, box truck, yard trucks, or forklifts powered by electric, lithium ion technologies, or natural gas with renewable attributes, with the remaining 15 electric tractors expected to deploy later this year. So when they're referring to tractors, they're actually referring to Tesla's semi-truck. So this is very exciting to see. They're finally getting things in order to go, and this is very exciting to actually see one of their buyers is Pepsi. Now here are some specs of it. So this is all subject to change. Keep that in mind. This may not be the final numbers when it actually comes out, but basically it has an 80,000 pound capacity. Will have 300 mile and 500 mile range, options for $150,000 and $180,000. So this can change by the time they actually go on the market, and I expect the numbers probably will be changed because this was back in 2017 when these numbers came out. Overall though, Tesla looks good. I do enjoy seeing this come out. Now let's look at a couple images and see how they're looking. So here we got a couple images of the Tesla Semi. And if you actually go to Tesla's website, you can see that their specs are here. So it goes to 0 to 60 in 20 seconds with 8,000 pounds. So that's actually pretty fast. And then you can actually reserve one. To reserve one, it's $20,000. And here's the updated specs. So 20 seconds, 0 to 60, range 300 or 500 miles, depending on what you get. Fuel savings $200,000 plus. And here are the base prices, and I'm guessing you can upgrade it from there. And this is how the interior looks. So this looks very sleek. This looks very comfy indeed, especially for long rides that are these semis do take. And look right here, it comes with enhanced autopilot. So this is amazing to see. It'll become safer for these 18-wheeler trucks, these semi trucks. Now they're going to have autopilot, which is good to see. And basically this $200,000 number is coming from a 2-year period. So in 2 years, you're supposed to save $200,000, and that's a huge amount. So this is very exciting to see from a Tesla investor standpoint, because this could mean, who knows, what else are they going? Who are they going to contract to? Could like Walmart, bigger supply stores who depend on these trucks every day, could they potentially see getting these contracts? Could Tesla be producing those in mass numbers? If so, that's going to be a huge increase for, I think, Tesla's stock price and its evaluation, just based off what they're adding value. Now keep in mind though, I do think that eventually everything's going to be moved to this zero emission start. So Pepsi's already starting it, and then I do think all these other big supply stores, we see Amazon doing their vans, not their 18-wheelers yet, but their vans are starting to move to that zero emission. So we're going to have a lot of things in the near future, in the next 5 to 10 years, where we're just going to be moved all to electric vehicles, and Tesla's already getting a start on that, and they're already producing their own semis, which I do think is a good start. Tesla keeps expanding their business model. They keep doing amazing things for the future, and they're always one step ahead of everyone. And now it's such amazing to see that they're coming out with this semi truck. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like the design of the semi? Do you think this is going to be successful? What are your opinions on it? Do you think they're going to possibly get more customers with, as I mentioned, bigger supply stores? Amazon, Walmart, CVS, drugstores, all of that. Do you think they're going to start reaching out to that? And do you think it even brings people an appeal? Do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to hear your discussion and your thoughts on this. Other than that, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for being a supporter, and I'll see you in the next video.